Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security. Let's tap on it. As you can see in the device security section on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. And this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint. Here we have to add an additional screen lock, so we can pick the pattern pen or password. And of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, then you really have to do it right now, because it's very important. If for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the screen lock. So let me pick the pattern, for example. Right now I have to draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. As you can see right now, I have to decide what I want to display on the lock screen, so I can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Just make sure that it is marked. So I will pick the second option and tap on done. And here we've got another step of adding our fingerprint. Here we've got the information that we will be able to unlock our device with it. So let's tap on start inputting, of course, give all the permissions, agree to everything, and right now we have to place our finger on the sensor, which is located right here. Here we've got the icon, so let me put it there. And as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition. I'm not really sure if something is wrong with my finger or with the sensor. It's not very sensitive, as you can see. Okay, and finally, I've just added my fingerprint to this device. If you want to, you can add another. If not, simply tap on done. And we've been immediately transferred to the fingerprint settings. So here, first of all, we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. And the unlock option is defaultly activated. Of course, you can turn it off if you want to. I will leave it like this. What's more, you can set it as a privacy and app encryption. I don't want to turn it on right now. Here we've got also the lock unlock screen, so you can change the animation styles. After tapping on it, you will be able to pick something. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. Let me pick, for example, this one, or maybe this one. No, this one. If you're ready, just tap on apply and get it back. Here you've got also the icon patterns, so you can tap, and here you can pick the one you like the most. I will leave this one. Here you've got also the option which will allow you to show the fingerprint icon on off screen, so you can leave it turned on or off. It's really up to you. Under it we've got the fingerprint list. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it if you want to, just by tapping on this trash bin icon, or tap on it and rename it. So it was my thumb, so let me rename it. And here we can also add the fingerprint, add another fingerprint. Or we've got the fingerprint authentication, which is quite cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, because after tapping on it, you will have the list of all added fingerprints, and by putting particular finger on the sensor, your device will show you which fingerprint it is. As you can see, in my case, the thumb is highlighted. Let me get back. Here we've got also some fingerprint instructions and privacy statement. Let me leave it like this, and let's check if it is actually working. So let me lock the device, and here we've got the icon, so let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.